Karen Nyberg filmed a video in space of her washing her hair, which showed up on our Inside ISS YouTube channel. And we had some questions about that video, Don. Why do people need to wash their hair in space? Because you were there for, you've been 6 months at a time.
6 months at a time.
In addition to smaller trips.
Yes.
But one of the things that happens, you were telling me about, is your skin goes through changes.
It does. Right? You molt, sort of like birds molt in the spring, and human beings molt, particularly the skin, the calluses fall off the bottoms of your feet.
Why does it happen in space?
Well, it all happens at once. For whatever reason, the skin, all the calluses on the bottoms of your feet fall off about the 2.5 to 3 month period of being in space.
Okay, yeah, this sounds actually pretty disgusting.
Well, it is.
Yeah,
but it's part of being a human. I mean, you know, and you're breathing in their skin flakes, and you can get these allergic reactions. Yeah, so you become allergic to your crewmates.
So that's what happens if the feet in space don't get the same load like they do on Earth. We don't have hard. You don't have hard, like our feet usually are pretty hard on Earth. And then you don't. The bottoms of them, you know, they're kind of worked in there. That doesn't happen in space, so the skin peels off and creates all this debris. Which could be a problem.
First, you see, you're carefully pulling the sock off. You're kind of teasing the sock off. And the reason you do this is to minimize the amount of particles coming out. But then you get to a point where the sock just pops off your toes, and this cloud, this explosion of skin particles, detritus, floats out. And you're in this weightless environment, and the particles have nowhere to go but out.
Yeah, and then they're floating around the atmosphere.
And they're floating around the atmosphere, which is why you want to pull your socks off, or your shirt, for matter, in front of a filter inlet, so all those particles are sucked against the filter, and then sometime during the week you can come by with a vacuum cleaner and you can clean all those things up.